I want that. I want that too. We want that.
Okay, today folks, we're gonna make a duct tape sheath for a sword.
Look at that beautiful stuff.
Despicable.
We need a sword, of course. Just kidding. Now for the really short build montage. Wow. Okay, now they've got a sword. Oops, I left it in the shed. That's better. It's not a sword, that's a stick. Well, it'll have to do.
It is what it is.
It is what it is.
Okay, now we're going to start building the sword.
It was at this point that Bob, aka Joseph with AK, realized that the stick, aka sword, would look better with a handle.
Hey guys, it's finished.
Oh hi, I didn't see that. If you liked this video, please like and subscribe. And if you didn't, just double tap that like button. And we'll see you in the next one.